Hello, my wonderful members. I'm here today with Mr. Bill Hollister, our first winner of our holiday cocktail crafting contest.
Well, thank you, Lainey.
You submitted a wonderful recipe. We're going to call it this time Raspberries at the Rookery. Why don't you tell me a little bit about it?
Well, it's a drink that we've just found because, gin's been kind of out of fashion for decades. And we kind of like to see something different for a warm weather kind of drink. And it makes us think of summer when we have this.
So what we're going to do today, we are going to make this cocktail, and then we're going to feature this cocktail over the course of the next 2 weeks or so here at the restaurant. So I need everyone to come down and try Mr. Hollister's cocktail.
It's a great idea to have a contest like this. It really does involve the members.
It is fun to judge it too. It does help. So why don't we start? What are we putting into this cocktail today, Mr. Hollister?
Well, of course, obviously, we've got some gin that we're going to put in it.
Absolutely.
A little Chambord to give it a little raspberry taste, but then real raspberries. And you made some wonderful additions to the recipe to kind of jazz it up a little bit.
Well, I'm excited because this is going to be a good one.
Let's do it.
All right, first we're going to start by adding raspberries to a glass. 4 is a good starting number. Next, we're going to add in a touch of simple syrup. Next, we're going to add in some beautiful fresh squeezed lemons.
But it needs to be real lemon juice.
3 fresh squeezed lemons. All right, now we're going to muddle. Muddling's really nice. It does help release a lot of the flavors in there, so it makes the drink wonderful. Next, we're adding ice. Next, we're adding our wonderful Bombay Sapphire. We're going to use about an ounce. We're going to use our shaker tin to give it a quick little mix. We're going to put this in our highball glass now.
Nice.
Next, we're going to add a spritz of seltzer. Next, we're going to use our mixing spoon to float some wonderful raspberry flavored Chambord on top.
Very nice. Beautifully done. I'm glad I'm not making it. Beautiful.
Next step, we're going to garnish it with a beautiful lemon wheel.
That was terrific.
Success.
That was terrific.
Cheers.
Oh my God,
How'd
it's
I
good.
do? Perfect. So, upcoming, we do have our next contest, and it's going to be champagne cocktails. So I need you to put your thinking hats on and figure out some great recipes. Please submit them to the email address, and we will be picking a winner around the 10th of December.
Good job.
Happy pouring.